vai ver o Christmas shop no Bryant Park.
Eu achei dentro daquele coisa. Ice skate.
It has ice skating?
Yes.
In here?
Yes.
Cool. Didn't know.
Indoor.
Oh, nice. And there's a restaurant here.
What is this park you actually have? What is this park you actually have? Sock?
I'd always just figured out.
How's that cute? Why is that?
It's like this when the shops are not here and they're ice skating. It's a huge space of grass to sit down.
But right now it's not. You know, it's mainly shops.
Peraí.
There's no light now.
Yeah. That's it, just for consistency.
Oh, can we actually go up? Can we actually go up?
Hey Brian, the skating. It's almost melting. Look, the sun is blazing in it. Because it's getting warm.
Don't you feel like when you go to this and it's so warm and nice? Wow. You catch it off with this
I get it. I get it.